Welcome everyone. With older iPhones, you had this mute switch and you could flick this one up or down to turn on or off the silent mode. Now with iPhone Air, if you try and do this, nothing's happening. If I long press, nothing is happening. And so the solution to turn on or off the silent mode is we have two options. First of all, we're going to open up settings. Then we're going to scroll all the way down until we see action button, and then we just need to look for silent mode. So just swipe to silent mode, and then once you do this, you long press silent mode to turn it on, and then you long press it again to turn it off. Now the second way is you swipe down from the far right hand side of the screen, and then you see the bell. You can tap the bell to turn on silent mode and tap again to turn it off. Now real quick, YouTube do not promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. And if you did not find this video useful, any questions, any concerns, just let me know in the comment section. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.